Here's a fire alarm test. Fire alarm test. I'll blow my whistle like that. I know my whistle even. I'm just going to test the Alibaba call point. It'll go like that. Bang, bang. Like that. Bang. This is the cycle call point. I'll push that one, I will. Push it. Oh, wrong key. This is the right key for it. Yeah, perfect. What shall I do? I'm going to push the call point. Push the call point's fine, yeah. I'll push the fully on call point. I will push it when I'm testing it. It works like fully on call point. I need to put the key in like that and then remove it. Push it. Test it with the test key. I will. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yes, it does that. I will. Make sure. Yeah, it does that. I'll make sure. Thanks for watching. Bye.